Language barriers can make virtual meetings challenging, especially when participants speak different languages. Luckily, the Zoom translation feature helps by providing real-time translated captions so everyone can follow along more easily. Here's how to enable translated captions in Zoom. Sign into the Zoom web portal as an admin or user. Go to Account Settings, Group Management, or Settings depending on your level. Open the Meeting tab. Under the Advanced setting, switch on Translated Captions. Make sure automated captions are also turned on. Also, you can use Edit Translation Languages to set your language pairs and lock the setting if you don't want changes. Here's an example of how it looks in Japanese automated captions. Let's try changing the caption language to Italian. Once your translated captions are set up, take your meetings a step further with Tactiq. Tactiq captures real-time transcripts in Zoom, stores them securely, and creates AI-powered summaries so you never miss key details. Learn more at tactiq.io and subscribe for more Zoom meeting tips.